Everyone, I'm Harry, Senior Manager Business Management at Sony Electronics. We're very much excited to introduce our new all-in-one dvLED called Crystal LED UNIFY. The UNIFY is 135-inch, 800 nit, pitch 1.5 Full HD display. And what makes it all-in-one is we deliver this one component in one single SKU and box. All necessary components, including spare modules, wall mount bracket, are all included. And thanks to pre-assembled 5 cabinet columns, it's super easy to install. It takes just around 1 hour with 2 people installation. Then also, UNIFY is designed for a seamless extension of from rAVe. It uses same remote control as rAVe, also RS232 command and IP control also synchronized with rAVe side. And thanks to its low power consumption, it runs by only single cable with 120 ampere circuit. It's very much power efficient. Okay. Then this product will be delivered to the market around December-January timeframe. So we are so much excited to deliver this to the market. Thank you so much.